Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Wednesday the 6th of March, Keynsham today. 3 items. Couldn't really resist buying this, although I think the label's going to peel off it fairly quickly. It's just a novelty key ring. Cost me 50p. Now it does appear that it should work. I expect it'll probably fly apart if you try and do it quickly. I thought that was a fun little novelty. 50p. Another wooden kit, another helicopter. I don't think I've done one that looks just like that. It's not a brand I recognise either. Robud. Never heard of it. JP233. 32 pieces. Cost me £1.99. So I keep saying that's double what I like to pay. Looks like it's a nice stamp. It's been stamped well. We'll find out when we actually try and assemble it. But that will be one of those ones I put in the car to do when I'm waiting for Nanny. And then for 99p, inflatable boat. That caught my eye. It's got a wind-up outboard motor. That particularly caught my eye. Like the idea of that. And then that's the boat hull surrounded by an inflatable, well, rib, I suppose, rigid inflatable boat. Super rowing speed. Yeah, okay. Ale hop. www.alehop.org. Manufactured by Clave Denier or Clave Denier. Yeah, thought that looked interesting. We'll have to give that one a try. So, particularly interested in the wind-up motor. Yep, that was it. Short and sweet. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.